You might find this hard to believe, but the James Webb Space Telescope has discovered a planet 124 light-years away that might actually host alien life. That planet is K2-18B, and here's where it gets exciting. Webb didn't just detect carbon-rich molecules in its atmosphere, like methane and carbon dioxide. It even picked up signs of a substance called dimethyl sulfide. On Earth, methane and CO2 are mostly released by living organisms. But dimethyl sulfide, that's only produced by life. If this finding holds up, it could mean one thing. K2-18B may be home to alien life. But it doesn't stop there. Webb also detected water vapor and hydroxide compounds in its atmosphere. Combine that with estimates of its surface temperature, and we're likely looking at a planet with a liquid ocean. And if life is confirmed on this world, that would be huge. It would mean humanity isn't alone in the universe. Life, maybe even intelligent life, could be common out there. So what kind of world is K2-18B, and what kind of life might it hold? To understand that, we have to go back to the launch of the James Webb Space Telescope at the end of 2021. It's the most powerful space telescope ever built. In just over 2 years, it's shown us jaw-dropping views of the universe, some of the earliest galaxies ever formed. And it's helping us uncover the very origins of the cosmos. But beyond galaxies, Webb has another major mission: finding potentially habitable planets. It's equipped with powerful infrared spectrometers that can analyze the atmospheres of exoplanets. When a planet passes in front of its star, light from the star shines through its atmosphere, producing unique spectral fingerprints. Each wavelength in that spectrum tells scientists about the planet's chemical makeup and surface conditions. K2-18B was flagged during one of those observations. Based on that data, scientists believe it may support life. Interestingly, K2-18B isn't new. It was first discovered in 2015 by the Kepler Space Telescope. At only 124 light-years from Earth, it's relatively close in cosmic terms. That means if we had a spacecraft that could travel at light speed, we could reach it in just 124 years. This planet is categorized as a super-Earth. It's about 8 times the mass of Earth and has a radius 2.6 times greater. Importantly, it orbits within its star's habitable zone, the region where conditions are just right for liquid water. Back in 2019, scientists used data from Kepler, the Spitzer Space Telescope, and Hubble to confirm large amounts of water vapor in K2-18B's atmosphere. That marked the first time we detected water on a habitable zone exoplanet. However, conditions there aren't Earth-like. Its gravity is estimated to be 2.2 times stronger than Earth's. So if you were standing on K2-18B, you'd feel more than twice as heavy. Moving around would be incredibly difficult without a specially engineered spacesuit. And it's likely there's not much oxygen in the air. Sure, there's a lot of water vapor, but that doesn't mean it has breathable air. Life, if it exists, may not even need oxygen at all. It could use other chemicals like methane to survive. A planet that can support life has to meet certain conditions. Think of Earth. We rely on sunlight, a breathable atmosphere, and liquid water. That atmosphere doesn't have to be oxygen. It just has to be a medium that enables chemical exchange. If there is life on K2-18B, it might exist in its oceans. Maybe it's still at a primitive microbial level. Or if there's life on land, it would have to evolve under extreme gravity, probably developing compact, strong skeletal structures. Creatures might be smaller and denser to withstand the pull of gravity. Even if humans could reach this world, long-term survival there would be incredibly difficult. But among the thousands of super-Earths we found so far, K2-18B stands out as the best candidate for harboring alien life. In fact, scientists have now identified over 2,000 super-Earths. If just one of those worlds is truly Earth-like and relatively close to us, it could one day become humanity's new home. Now here's the mind-blowing part. We've only scratched the surface. Conservative estimates suggest the observable universe may contain as many as 10 to the power of 22 super-Earths. That number is beyond comprehension. So think about this. If life only evolved on Earth out of all those possibilities, wouldn't that be an incredibly unlikely outcome? Statistically speaking, Alien civilizations might be far more common than we ever imagined. The problem? Our current observation methods are still basic, and our only way of trying to contact alien life is through radio waves. But if intelligent civilizations are out there, they may already have the tech to explore the universe in ways we can't even dream of. Maybe, just maybe, what we're going through now is something they experienced eons ago. So what do you think? Could life truly exist beyond Earth? Let us know in the comments. And if this blew your mind like it did ours, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated with the biggest space discoveries.